So in this video, I want to cover a job that you guys can start almost immediately. You can start in January. It's 2025. And so I know a lot of you guys are looking for remote work from home jobs that you can start very quickly, especially if you haven't been having a lot of success with finding remote work from home online jobs. So I have a fairly easy opportunity to share with you guys today. It doesn't pay a whole lot. I will say that it's not a high paying or not one of the higher paying remote work from home jobs. It's going to be a simpler job. It pays around $15 per hour. However, you do get incentives for performance and attendance. Also, for new hires who complete 90 days of employment, you get a $250 bonus. And there's also another bonus here of, I believe, $300 that you can land as well. Also, this position is full-time and also part-time. So even if you decide to go with the part-time position, you do get some bonuses as well. So still a really good opportunity, and they do provide you with training as well. So I'd say if you're looking for your first remote work from home job or opportunity, this is one that you can start, and training starts as soon as the 27th of this month, January 2025. So you guys can apply right now. They're urgently hiring a ton of agents here. And all you really need is to have availability between the hours of 7 a.m. and 12 a.m. Monday to Sunday. And then you can choose a shift or schedule within those hours. Again, not really paying a whole lot, $15 per hour, but you do get some incentives and some bonuses. And this is going to be a entry-level type of position that doesn't really require you to have any type of experience as well. So really good job opportunity here. Also, you do get some benefits, so we'll go through that in just a bit. But before I go there, just want to remind you guys about my second channel, which is the work from home channel. And that's going to be this channel right here, the work from home channel. This is where I'm currently posting the highest paying remote work from home jobs that I could find online. So you take a look at some of my recent videos or recently posted job leads. You'll find job leads like this: immediately hiring work from home jobs paying up to $15,000 per month. And no, this is not clickbait. 2, hiring immediately work from home jobs paying up to $22 per hour. Federal job paying over $1,200 per week. This one was open to the public. Make $500 per day editing videos for social media. And there are also part-time jobs here, overnight jobs, and worldwide opportunities. So if you're primarily looking for a remote work from home job opportunity, be sure to go over to the second channel here, the work from home channel, as this is where you're going to find the most recent and also the highest paying job leads I'm able to find online. Also, be sure to turn on all notifications on this channel. Tap the bell right here. That way you get notified in real time of when I find these new high paying job leads. So this company right here, this is what I want to cover in today's job lead. It's Superior Contact, and they're looking for professionals that can work remotely from home in a home office, and they provide you with training here. Now, these jobs are in customer service, and they're hiring a ton of agents. So all you guys can go ahead and apply, because this is not just a vacancy for just one position. They're actually hiring a lot of people, and they want to make all the hires this month. So some benefits you get here, as they say, competitive wages, 401k, and bonus plans. You get health, dental, vision, supplemental plans, paid time off. There are opportunities for advancement, company provided equipment, which means they'll provide you with the laptop or PC, monitors, and headsets, just about everything you need to start working from home remotely. So that is a big plus. Also, you get paid training and mentoring programs. So if you have absolutely no experience, they're providing you with the equipment, they're providing you with the training, which is paid. Everything is going to be done from the comfort of your own home, and you get all the benefits here. So really, really good opportunity here to start off 2025. They have their jobs listed on Indeed. So if you click this link, and I'll leave the link down below, but it takes you right here to the job listing. So this is for a customer service agent. It's fully remote. And as it says here, they're urgently hiring customer service agents, and They're on the hunt for professional people seeking a full-time position with the availability to start training January 27th, 2025. And all you really need to do is to be passionate about customer service, can take ownership, be able to solve problems and investigate issues in a fast-paced environment. And compensation here is again $15 per hour, so not the highest paying job or not the usual high paying type of opportunity that I do cover, but there's also bonuses here. So performance bonuses, wage increases based on performance and attendance, also a $250 stay bonus, a perfect attendance bonus, which could be $100, also another $300 bonus here as well. Also, they have an annual incentive program named after the infamous jack pine tree. And this year they have a lot of quarterly drawings for cash prizes, so you can make more money that way. And this job provides you with paid training, which takes about 2 to 3 weeks. They provide you with all the equipment, so you don't need to go and purchase any work from home office equipment if you don't have it. They'll provide you with everything. The only thing you need is to have a reliable and fast internet connection and be able to commit to 100% of the training period. Also, you can go to this link right here and see if your current home internet connection is good enough for this job. So that's a simple test that you can do. And this is what you're gonna be doing in this job. So answer high volume of inbound customer calls to resolve customer issues, also provide exceptional customer service and sales support services, precisely follow call handling instructions, handle multimedia customer interactions in a friendly, courteous, and effective manner, establish and maintain customer satisfaction. You're looking for people who have excellent attendance and a desire to succeed, proven customer service and support experience. They're looking for at least 1 year, but it is preferred, not required. So if you don't have any experience, then you can still apply here because they do provide you with the training. Strong phone contact handling and active listening skills, written and verbal communication, strong computer skills and typing proficiency, high school diploma or equivalent experience, reliable cell phone for VPN connection, quiet, distraction-free home office setting. And this is about all you really need. So you don't need a college degree. All you really need is a high school diploma. And even if you don't have a high school diploma, then if you do have some experience, then you could substitute that for the high school diploma. So a really easy job to get into here. And there may be periodic overtime opportunities as well, where you can earn time and a half. Also benefits here, you get 13 days off PTO in your first year, 7 paid holidays, 401k company match after just 1 year, employee assistance program. You also get medical, dental, vision, long-term disability. So really, really good job lead. Again, they're urgently hiring. You can apply now and you could be in this job within the next 2 weeks, depending on when you're watching this video. So I would say go ahead and apply. Link is down below. This is going to be one of the easiest jobs to get into. And if you act quickly, you could probably get in before the job listing is pulled or closed, because a job like this isn't going to last very long because a ton of people are going to be applying to this one. Now, similarly, other similar jobs that you could look into would include working solutions here, where you don't need to do a traditional type of interview. You simply just create your profile, add experience, take assessments, they scan your PC and you choose the opportunity. Every week or every couple of weeks, they do have new opportunities here. Currently, these are the current opportunities. So customer service representative, hospitality customer service representative, and a travel reservations representative. Jobs here will pay a bit higher than that one. Usually here, you can make anywhere from $14 to around $30 per hour, depending on the opportunity. But these are flexible job opportunities in terms of you get to schedule your own hours. So that's a perk of landing one of the opportunities here. So I'll leave a link below to this as well. Also, if you guys are looking for some opportunities or methods or ways that you can use to get paid very quickly, you can look into using some apps like Field Agent, for example, which will pay you within the hour, so you could get paid very quickly. And they have a ton of gigs on here like audits, surveys, buy and tries, scavenger hunts, I spies, mystery shops, ratings and reviews. And based on experience, most of these gigs here are gonna range anywhere from $3 all the way up to like $150 to $200 depending on the type of gig. So this is another way to make money very quickly. This one doesn't require any experience as well. You simply just have to download the app in the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, and they partner with some very big brands and retailers here. So you do get some really good offers. This is another really easy and quick way to make some money online. Similarly to Field Agent, you could look into another app like Gigwalk. It is similar type of thing here, and you could get paid very quickly with this one as well. So if you're looking for apps that don't require any experience and you could get paid, these would be really good apps. Now I will say these are better than the other apps like Swagbucks, for example, which will only pay you like a few cents or a few dollars. These actually do pay you good money. For example, on Field Agent, most of the buy and try jobs that you will do are gonna pay you upwards of $20 per gig, and this could go up to hundreds. Also, the audits will usually pay you upwards of $30, and some of these audits you can complete them very quickly in probably like 5-10 minutes, probably even less depending on your location. And you can do several of these per day, so you can actually make some really good money here. So really good apps, no experience is required, no training, no interview required, really easy ways to start making money this month. And with these apps, you could start making money today. So I'll leave all the links down below. Be sure to go ahead and check these out and let me know which one is your favorite and which one you were able to make money from quickly. But with all that covered, all the best, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.